That is the first. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Wow. Who built this?
It's built by Michael Sanchez out of Texas.
Wow. This is nice. Yep. Appreciate, sorry about that. Yeah, give me a second. Oh! That is the first. Yeah. Wow. This is different.
Yeah.
Woo. Are you from another country? Or is this
just imported from there.
Oh, okay. Wow. What's your name real quick and what else in here?
So my name's Jarrod. This is 4 C512s on a Crossfire 4K, C7 4K.
What is it wired to?
Wired at 1.
Okay.
Yeah, rising to like 2 point something.
Yep.
Clamping about 2100 watts.
Wow. Did you ever meter it?
We're 51.8 so far. At
Really?
2100 watts, 41 hertz.
That's efficient. Nice. All right.
I like this build a lot.
Yeah.
Nice little daily.
Wow. Oh, you actually daily drive this?
When I'm home, yeah. So I drive like most of the weekends.
Okay.
Get a little something playing here.
Yeah, definitely different having a driver passenger thing. I'm sure everybody says, whoa. It's normal in other countries, but yeah.
I like it. It's subtle. Like a lot of people like don't recognize it until they go to get in.
And we haven't seen them since. Like the Allosaurus. Stegosaurus had spikes.
That's pretty efficient for a low power, man.
I like this build a lot.
Yeah.
It's a nice little daily.
Wow. Oh, you actually daily drive this?
When I'm home, yeah. So I drive like mostly weekends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you as well.
Thank you for the demo.
Yes, sir.
Jarrod, right?
Yes, sir.
Jarrod. All right. Team Crossfire?
Team Hertz POs, but I do work for Crossfire in LA.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Woo. Hey, you have a good day.
Yeah, you as well.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.